Good morning, student. In our previous English period, we completed up to question 4 from answer the following question from the poem Don't Be Afraid of the Dark. So now moving on further with the textbook portion, don't be afraid of the dark. We are doing textbook portion of this poem. In that, in our previous period, we completed up to question 4. Now, start with question 5. Are these sentences true or false? Now some sentences are given and we have to find it out that these sentences are true or false. A. The poet tells the child to be afraid when it is dark. So as we read it out the poem, and from the poem what we come to know that the poet tells the child to be afraid or don't afraid. So this sentence in the poem, poet what instruct that don't be afraid. So this sentence is false, because in this the poet tells the child to be afraid. No, the poet instructs the child that don't be afraid. Poet telling to the child that don't be afraid. Now, B. The poet says that stars will always So, the poet says that the star will always shine at night. So now what is our answer? It's true or false? The poet says that stars will always shine at night. So it is true. Yes, in the poem, poet says that stars is always forever shine at night. Then after, see, the poet tells the child to think of friends after it is dark? Yes. So answer is true. In the poem, plus bow, it is rainbow. So this exercise is too easy for you Then next, find a word in the poem which is the opposite of. Now some words are given and we have to find it out, opposite word from the poem. War. So when we read it out, the poem, in that what opposite word is there for war, and in generally also what is the opposite of war? That is peace. Then after 2, light. Then opposite of light, dark. Then after enemies, then opposite of enemies, friends. Have you find this word inside the poem? Yes or no? Have you read out your poem or not? If not, then read it out. Then after 4, night, then day. Gentle, then harsh. And 6, start. Opposite of start is keys, that is an ending point. It's start, that is something starting, and it's come to an end. That is here gentle, that's smooth, something smooth, or harsh, that is too harsh, it's too strong or too effective. So then after, in the next page, now one exercise is given in that, look at these words in the poem, don't, want. Here are their full forms, don't. So inside the poem some words are there like don't and want. Now what is the full form of these words? It's do not and will not. Yes. Now the next exercise is based on this. Means it's related in this, that we have to follow these answers in that. Now write the full forms of the following words. Now follow these words. That doesn't mean that you have to write down the same words copy here. No, follow that means that from this we can getting some idea that what we have to do in this exercise. We have to write down full forms. Okay. So have you ever feel frightened means you feel so frightened or fear or afraid of something? So you have to tell this to your partner, means this is the general question that you have to telling to your partner that one situation. Okay. Then after in our textbook in page 78, we are doing just now textbook portion. So in that let's write. Now in that page you can see clearly that red teacups and yellow teacups. Yes or no? Pictures of red teacups and yellow teacups are given, and on red teacups, some words are written. 2, 1, dear, son. So as here, I am just reading, write it down only the words. I am not going to draw that cups. Okay. So in the first one, 2 is written, then 1, then dear, and then after son. Now here another yellow cups are given. Yes? Yes. So now question is that fill in the yellow tea cups with similar sounding words. So we have to fill this given blanks, but whatever the words we are going to write over here, the sound match with the given word, means that sound is similar to the given words. So here 2, so now think and tell me which word will I am going to write over here. 2, same sound, that is TWO, 2, yes or no, sound is same. Then after 1, that 1, then dear, then here dear. When I read it out, this word sound should be matched with the given words. Then after sun, so SUN, sun, yes. Then in the next page, one exercise is given.